Hello Virgo, ako ulit mga ka-UVG. Pasensya na kayo kung may maririnig kayo sa background na mga hayop. Okay, nasa farm po ako. So, tingnan po natin kung anong ganap sa'yo Virgo. Sensya na nasa farm ako, Brad. Kailangan mag-chillax. Okay, so tingnan natin Virgo. Tingnan natin Virgo kung anong ganap sa'yo. Anong dapat mong malaman. Virgings, pasensya na sa settings ko temporarily. So, see. 3 cards for my Virgo, please. 3 cards. 3 cards for my Virgo. Three cards for my Virgo, please. Anong dapat malaman ni Virgo? Sana po ay naririnig ko. Ay pasensya na sa background. Seven of Swords. Nagpapakot ang Seven of Swords workings. What else? Death card. Uy, may mag-sneak out dito. Workings. Let's see. Pasensya na, may mga baka, may manok. Kailangan mag-connect sa nature, bro. Pasensyahan nyo na ang background. Okay. Nantagal na. Ang dami niyan, hindi ko kaya yan, pre. Pero lumabas ang the full guard. Judgment card, Virgo. Major Arcana, minor pala. Sorry. So, we'll see, Virgo. Meron kang Seven of Swords, Death card, at saka the Judgment card, Virgo. Hermit card at the bottom. Card mo to. So, we'll see. Clarify each card. Sinong nag-sneak out dito, Virgo? Merong final judgment dito na desidido talagang mag-sneak out. Desidido talagang gawin ang pinaka-the worst. Okay? Para lang sa transformation. Okay? Para lang sa general transformation dito with the death card. Okay? Anong klaseng sneak out to, Virgo? Seven of Swords. Silent move din yan para sa akin with the Seven of Swords, Virgo. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung energy mo to or energy ng taong connected sa'yo, Virgo. Or sa environment mo. Let's see. Clarify the Seven of Swords for my Virgo, please. Bakit parang ayaw na lang lumabas? Bubunot na lang ako, Virgo, pag hindi pa rin lumabas. Page of Swords at saka King of Pentacles, Virgo. King of Wands at saka the Wheel of Fortune. Virgo, meron ditong may gustong mag-sneak out or someone is spying over here, Virgo. Okay. To the fact that dalawang king ang nandito. Tell me more. Nine of Wands. Merong dalawang tao dito, Virgo, na gustong makipag-connect sa'yo. Okay. Kung sino man to siya, nag-i-spy to behind the scene or kahit anong platform meron ka, gusto mag-insist ng communication dito, Virgo, with the Five of Cups, but failed. Connection failed, connection lost, I don't know, pero yung connection dito, communication is shut down. Ang hirap, cannot be reached dito, Virgo. Cannot be reached and someone is very sad. Hindi ko alam kung sinong gustong makapag-communicate sa'yo, Virgo, but let's see. Clarify the King of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles. Clarify the King of Wands. Nine of Eight. Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, merong dalawang taong stuck dito. Or gusto mag-initiate ng communication pero out of reach ka. And then another person is excited na siyang makipag-usap. Ang dami niyang gustong sabihin. Kaya lang stuck siya mentally. Mentally, physically, hindi ko alam. Basta yung nakikita ko dito. Kung sino naman tong nag-i-spy sa'yo, Virgo, gusto nag-i-initiate ng conversation. You see, ang dami mo maririnig. May ibon, may butiki, may kalabaw, may... With the Wheel of Fortune, Virgo here, and the 9 of... taas ng boundary mo dito, Virgo. Wheel of Fortune at saka 9 of Wands. Wounded warrior ka na, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung gusto mo pang makipag-usap sa mga taong ito, Virgo. Out of sneakiness. Okay. Kung magkakaroon man lang kayo ng conversation out of sneakiness, I don't think so. The 2 of Pentacles is being here, Virgo. So, nakakita ko heavily spying with the Page of Swords. Page of Swords, 2 of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and the 5 of Cups. Itong King of Pentacles na to, kung sino man to para sa'yo, Virgo, in some point, meron kang past dito, or in some point, naging provider mo to. I don't know. Maybe either way. Okay, this person is feeling regretful. Sising-sisi siya, malungkot. Okay, Virgo. Tapos, dito naman sa King of Wands, pareho silang sneaky, pre. Pero itong King of Wands, gustong mag-initiate ng conversation pa rin. Gustong makapag-uusap sa'yo. Tsaka iniisip na lang niya time will tell. Kasi ang taas ng boundary mo, out of reach nga. Out of reach, lost connection, or block, or something. Kasi ang taas ng boundary mo dito, pre. With the 9 of Wands. Meron ako nakikitang block. Merong feeling block, communication, or energetically. Kaya nang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Ang Death card, Virgo. Tingnan natin. Ace of Pentacles, definitely. 4 of Cups. And the World card, merong tinapos, merong sinimulan, kay Virgo, or kailangan. With the Queen of Pentacles, meron tayong couple card, Virgo. In some point, sabi ko sa'yo, hindi ko alam kung meron kang history dito sa King of Pentacles before, baka provider mo siya before, or I don't know, with the King and Queen of Pentacles, in some point, nag-tandem na kayo nito. Okay, and this person, or maybe you are, baka nakikrave ka ng reset sa in general in your life, pero ayaw mong magkaroon ng miss opportunity dito. At the same time, meron ka ding world card, meron kang tinapos, at meron kang katotohanan dito, Virgo. Okay, truth about something here, or truth about yourself, or truth or idea about something. Okay, kasi meron tayong Hermit card at the bottom of the deck. So, ang sa nakikita ko dito, Virgo, hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang nagkikrave ng new beginning, reset in general. Okay, lahat ng area ng buhay mo, career, love life, family, lahat. Okay. Or meron kang idea dito na magkakaroon ka ng delay regarding sa pag-i-start dito with the Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, the World card, at saka the Queen of Pentacles. Virgo, kung ano man tong kinikrave mo, huwag mong isipin na it is a missed opportunity, Virgo, because it will lead you to abundance. Okay, financial abundance. Okay, kung ano yung tinapos mo, tapos meron kang sinimulan, it is definitely a positive outcome, Virgo. Huwag mong iisipin na you are feeling rejected. Rejection is protection, Virgo. With the Death card is being here. Okay, para bagang prosperity lies ahead ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Kung feeling mo hindi mo nasimulan, or feeling rejected ka, or hindi para sa'yo, it's not for you talaga. Okay, so universe ang nagsasabi, or si God, si Lord, perfect timing lang ang makapagsasabi dito na dadalahin ka sa financial abundance. Wala pong gender ang energy, Virgo. So yeah, pag sinabi kong Queen of Pentacles, okay, Virgo, so meron ka ditong idea, business idea. Okay, business idea, Virgo. So, nakikita ko. Business idea. So, kung ano man yung tinapos mo at may gusto kang simulan, okay, completion, it can represent completion. Maybe finish contract ka na or something, and you will start again and you feel rejected, Virgo. It's not for you. Wag mong ipilit na mag-fit in, Virgo, kung hindi mo feel. Okay. So, yung nakikita ko, ang laki ng transformation sa'yo dito, Virgo. Okay, ikaw ang nagkikrave ng transformation dito. Okay, hindi ko masasabing another person to, at parang feeling ko ikaw, kasi meron tayong Hermit card at the bottom of the deck at general energy. Okay, Virgo. So, let's see. And this is a Virgo card. Okay, Earth sign card. Queen of Pentacles at saka Ace of Pentacles, Virgo. Meron ding air sign dito. Hindi po ako magsasabi ng sign kasi hindi po siya specific. Maaaring merong sa chart niya or some sort. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung judgment dito, Virgo. Merong judgment card dito. Clarify the judgment card. Page of Cups. Eight of Wands. Two of Wands. The Strength card. Merong gustong mag-initiate ng conversation dito, Virgo, regarding sa final judgment o kung ano ba talagang magiging desisyon. Okay, Virgo, the another person gustong i-communicate kung ano nga ba ang tamang desisyon or ano nga ba ang desisyon regarding sa sitwasyon. Okay, merong naghahanap ng validation dito, Virgo. Okay. And hindi siya maka-step out into the comfort zone, out of the comfort zone, kasi nga naghihintay siya ng validation dito, pero malakas ng kutob niya na kailangan niya ng gumalaw. Hindi ko alam, Virgo, kung ikaw to or person that you are connecting with. Okay. So, baka itong mga taong to, yung dalawang taong dito, merong isang boss energy dito na gusto makipag-communicate sa'yo, alamin kung anong status mo, and the another person is gusto rin mag-initiate ng conversation sa'yo, Virgo. Okay, so, dito rin sa final judgment, Virgo, may gustong makipag-initiate or may gustong makipag-usap sa'yo regarding sa final judgment, regarding sa kung ano man ang magiging decision, Virgo. Yun ang nakikita ko sa third row. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw may final judgment or the person that you are connecting with. Meron kang travel dito, Virgo, with the Six of Swords, moving into calmer water, moving into a calmer situation, Virgo, na makakahinga ka ng malalim. Okay, makakapag-rejuvenate ka ng mind mo. Okay, Virgo. So, sa nakikita ko dito, underneath ng Hermit card, meron kang victory card. So, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, Virgo, behind the scene, go for it, do it, continue doing it, kasi meron kang success on the way, Virgo, with the Wheel of Fortune is being here. Okay, and the World card, okay, Death card, and the Judgment card. Ganda ng card mo, Virgo. Okay, but may mga taong nagpa-plot sa'yo. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo, sa bahala ka na kung saan ka lalapag dyan, Virgo, kung saan ka makaka-resonate dyan. Okay, may travel ako nakikita. Okay, mag-contemplate ka, Virgo, kung ano man yung nalalaman mo. Ang Hermit card is seeking wisdom and knowledge into the situation, Virgo. Okay, kung ano man yung sinimulan mo, Virgo, at kung ano man yung tinapos mo, alam mo na yun kung anong sinasabi ko. And don't feel rejected, Virgo, because rejection is protection. Yun na lang ang mentality mo, kasi dadaling ka nito. Parang i-redirect ka. Meron ka ditong anong tawag niyan? Prosperity lies ahead na sinasabi. Okay. Baka iniisip mo, walang nangyayari, para bagang feeling ko, lahat ng ginagawa ko, it's useless, it's not what you think it is, Virgo, because with the World card is being here, it will end. Okay, and your hard work will be paid off, Virgo. Yan ang narinig ko dito with the Death card. Ito ang magdadala sa'yo ng big transformation, Virgo. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano ang advice mo, Virgo. Emotions are running high. Ano ba? It's time to release negativity, Virgo. And confidence is your key to success. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. So, tingnan natin kung anong bottom of the deck. Meron ka ditong believe into the impossible. I believe into the impossible, Virgo. Kung baga sa Four of Cups is being here, baka isip mo, it will not end, or maybe it ended too soon, or it ended long time. I don't know, but basta meron ka ditong believe into the impossible. Okay, Virgo. So, rejection is protection, Virgo. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Sana po ay nagets nyo at sana hindi ko kayo na-confuse. Bahala na po kayo kung saan kayo lalapag dyan, Virgo. Para po sa mga Virgo na hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Tingnan ko po, Virgo, kung anong angel message number mo, Virgo. Angel message number. Search nyo po to, Virgo. Angel message number. Meron kang King, Ancestor, Taurus, sumakubilang buhay na, Virgo. Older energy. King. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano ang 3 numbers for my Virgo, please. 3 numbers. Meron kang 10, 5, 10, 5, at saka 6. 10, 5, 6, Virgo. Google mo siya, angel message number. Yan lang maihain ko sa inyo, Virgo. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.